straw. I'm having like a bit of a moment with myself because this is literally the best milkshake I've ever had in my life. Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee Break in an Instant. My name is Samah Dada. I'm a TV host, a cookbook author, and founder of my blog DadaEats. And today I'm gonna change your life with this Java Chip coffee milkshake. This milkshake is actually completely plant-based, so we're gonna be using some dairy-free coffee ice cream, some delicious brewed coffee, as well as some chocolate chips to give it that Java Chip vibe. I'm very excited. I love coffee to a point where some may consider it unhealthy, but that is okay. And coffee ice cream has been my favorite dessert for literally as long as I can remember. So this Java Chip coffee milkshake combines my love for coffee ice cream and my love for coffee together to create basically my dream. This is my dream drink. Let me introduce you to my coffee best friend. This is my secret weapon whenever I'm making brewed coffee. This is my instant solo coffee maker. What I love about this machine is that you can totally use a K-cup or a pod to brew your coffee, but you can also use this little reusable cup for your own grounds. So if you have specific beans that you want to brew, you can totally use this in the machine as well. Versatility, we love it. This brewed coffee into my milkshake, so I'm gonna start by brewing it first so that we can let it cool before we make our milkshake. First things first, we've got to add water into our machine. Take this top off, pour water straight in. There you have it. Now we're gonna add our pod. This instant solo coffee maker takes no time to make your coffee, which is really nice if you're in a hurry in the morning and you're like, I need my coffee ASAP. This has you covered. Gonna turn the machine on, open it up, add my pod, close it. And now what I love about this machine as well is that I love a super bold cup of coffee. If it's not strong, I don't want it, which is why this is awesome because there's a bold function on this machine, so I can press bold before I brew my coffee. I'm gonna press bold right there so I get a really extra strong and delicious cup of brewed coffee. And then I'm just gonna hit however many ounces I want. So today I'm going for 8. And that's it. So easy. This coffee machine is actually really great because it soaks the grounds before brewing, so you get a really rich and flavorful cup of coffee. The coffee is done. That was so easy. You literally just pressed a button. And now I'm gonna let this cool and get to work on my coffee milkshake. All right, my favorite dessert of all time is coffee ice cream, so I knew I had to include it in this recipe. We've got some non-dairy coffee ice cream. I'm gonna add this into my blender along with some chocolate chips and my brewed coffee. To make my Java Chip milkshake, I'm using this instant blender, which is super dynamic and multifunctional. You can use it to make soups as well as frozen desserts and smoothies. So it really has you covered for all your blending needs. Gonna pop the top off. Got my non-dairy coffee ice cream going straight in here. I would just eat this, but I'm gonna do you guys a favor and make this milkshake instead. In we go. That was, you know, that could have been cleaner. I've got some dark chocolate chips. I'm gonna add that straight in as well. I'm gonna add some of this brewed coffee into my milkshake. Ready? And now we blend. Time to pour. Before I serve my milkshake, I'm gonna make a little homemade chocolate sauce to go with it. Starting with some non-dairy milk, I'm gonna add some maple syrup, as well as some unsweetened cocoa powder. Finally, just a little bit of almond butter. Mix that up, and you've got a perfect chocolate sauce. Time for the best part, we're gonna put it all together. Looks amazing. All right, round 2. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut whipped cream and my homemade chocolate sauce. I mean, you can't say no to these. You've got a totally plant-based milkshake base with some brewed coffee and some non-dairy coffee ice cream. And then you've got some coconut whipped cream, some chocolate chips, a homemade almond butter chocolate sauce. What could be better than this? Someone tell me, is there anything? Now my biggest decision is which one I should go for because they both look good. Here it goes. This might be a bad decision. I need a straw. I'm having like a bit of a moment with myself because this is literally the best milkshake I've ever had in my life. It has everything I want except for this leaning tower of whipped cream. It's delicious, it's plant-based, it's got so much coffee flavor, it's thick and creamy. Use a straw, don't use a straw. I don't care how you consume it, you just need to make this. Does this count as like your morning coffee, you think? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more recipes like this one, hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out the Instant Connect app for more amazing recipes. See you next time. You have to try this.